Like, are you guys seriously that cute? Watching over, watching over me? Ah, you're so cute. Ooh, ooh. Jedi, you always look like you're in the Serengeti the way you chill like that. Athletes in general. And then you'll just do your jump, right? Just do your jump right down there. The hair flowing in the wind. Right down to where your sister is. Mama, there's your mama. That's your mom and your mom. And your grandma. That's your grandma. Remember that. Yeah, you never forget. Love you, mama. You do too. You just have better boundaries with her. Because it's so cute. I just can't even believe how cute you are.